Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a Figma prototype to your Behance portfolio. This is a great way to showcase your interactive designs directly on your portfolio, allowing viewers to experience your work firsthand. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to navigate to the Figma prototype you want to showcase. Make sure you have your prototype ready and accessible in your Figma workspace. Once you have your prototype open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the Share button. Go ahead and click on Share. This will open up a menu with several sharing options. In the sharing menu that appears, look for the option labeled Get Embed Code. This is the key feature that will allow you to integrate your Figma prototype into your Behance project. Click on Get Embed Code, and Figma will generate a unique HTML code specifically for your prototype. This code is what Behance needs to properly display your interactive design. Now you'll see the embed code displayed on your screen. Click the Copy button to save this code to your clipboard. Make sure you copy the entire code, as you'll need it in the next steps to complete the integration process. With the embed code copied, navigate back to your Behance account. At the top of your Behance dashboard, locate and click on Share Work. This will present you with different options for adding content to your portfolio. From these options, select Project. This will take you to the project creation interface where you can build and customize your portfolio piece. Once you're in the project editor, look over to the right side of the screen where you'll find various content options and tools. Among these options, you'll see a button labeled Embed. Click on Embed to open the Embed content interface. This feature is specifically designed to integrate external content like Figma prototypes into your Behance projects. Now paste the embedded code you copied earlier from Figma into the provided field and click the Embed button. This action tells Behance to process the code and prepare your Figma prototype for display within your project. You'll need to wait a moment while the platform loads and processes your prototype. This usually takes just a few seconds depending on the complexity of your design and your internet connection speed. And that's it, your Figma prototype is now embedded in your Behance portfolio, allowing potential clients and employers to interact with your design directly. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.